We'll use the included battery-powered drill to drill an 1.25 inch hole directly over the utility we wish to repair. Using the cookie cutter centering system, we'll use the platinum cutter to cut a 72-inch circle in the road. We'll remove the cutter from the auger drive motor and we'll attach the lifting hook and engage the cookie lifter, and we'll place it over the cookie and lift the cookie from the road. After removing the cookie, it can be transported directly to a waiting truck or trailer for removal. The round trench box can now be placed in the excavation and the vacuum excavation can begin.